With the National Senior Athletics Championship set to start a week from today, we begin a series of previews for the four-day event at the National Stadium. Today we start by looking at the men's 400 meters.
Jamaica currently only has one athlete who has made the World Championships qualifying standard of 44.90 seconds for the men's 400 in Javon Powell. Powell has so far run 44.87, with Sean Bailey, Nathan Allen, Christopher Taylor and Javon Francis, the others to have run sub 45.5 so far this season. It's an event that the country is trying to make a comeback in, having only one world title way back in 1983, the first ever World Championships through Bertrand Cameron. Cameron now has a hand in coaching the next generation and has some thoughts on the quintet of Powell, Bailey, Allen, Taylor and Francis ahead of next week's National Championships.
All those names that I just called, they are running below 45.5. So you can bet that coming at this championship, and you have some new ones, Javon Powell, and you have Bailey, Sean Bailey, and you have quite a few. You have quite a few more. I have a little boy running too. Gregory Prince is running senior. He run 45.9, but just an experience for him. So you can look at this championship. At least 3 of them will break 45 seconds.
The world leader in the men's 400 is American Michael Norman at 43.60 seconds, run at the Prefontaine Classic in the United States in May. But Cameron says Jamaica's athletes shouldn't let that scare them.
These guys, they don't want to run with Norman and they don't want to run with Gardner because they know they have no chance. In their head, in their mind. But if they give themselves that chance, who knows, they might not beat them, but they might extend their contract. They might, because they're professionals, we don't hide that anymore. But until they decide that that's the way, it's just going to go down. But they're looking good this year.
Jamaica's top 5 athletes in the 400 this year are all based overseas, with Zadrian Barnes being the fastest locally based athlete so far this year, having clocked 45.69 seconds at the National Stadium in April. The National Senior and Junior Championships runs from June 23 to 26 at the National Stadium, with live and exclusive coverage on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network and One Spot Media. There will also be radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.